Hey folks, welcome to Bell CB. Got a Galaxy DX-98VHP. It's going to be a tune-up report for Shane in Texas. Shane had us put in here what you see there, the Nitro knob blue, with this variable here in the front. We also put a toy in that plays in the background, so whenever he keys his mic. All right. Okay. In the back, there's a switch right here in the back that when I pull it up, it plays what we recorded. This was just nice. And when I flip it down, it'll record up to 18 seconds. We'll try that out in a bit here. Alright, let's check out the power of this unit. I'm going to turn the power all the way down, put it on 8M. And look over here, 10 watts on the top scale. I've got to turn this guy down. Alright, 6 watts there. Change that scale now up to 100 watts on the top. This is one-handed action. It's about 60, 63. And I got a 500 watt slug for reading my peak power, which should land somewhere over here next to 300. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. Audio, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Okay, and then audio. It's off the screen. Let's fix that. Audio, check, check. There we go. And just sidebands. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay. I've been saying I should show people more. What you saw here was about 250, 255 maybe. Okay. There's no FM on this rig. That's pretty much it for output power. Let's try that joy. Yeah, here's some track and we can get a recording on it. Bagger 19 for radio check. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.